Hello guys, here is a quick look at British pound against the dollar. Right, so this was the trade idea that we generated last week before the market opened, and we saw how price sort of like hovered in this whole zone right there. Which to me was actually very good. I was still maintaining a buy mentality as soon as we took out the stops here, and you can see how this channel has been created. And at some point we had to leave this this zone either on the downside or the upside. Doesn't really matter. Right, so we had used these 1, 2, 3 down close candles as our bullish order blocks, and we see price breaking through quickly and did not give us any entry whatsoever on lower time frames. That is the H1, the M30, M15, M5, M1. If you look at it, there was no market structure breaks for buys to confirm our entry. Right, but however, just in the same way that we got Euro USD still trading to one of the zones that we had marked the previous week, we did the same thing with the pound dollar, where we came down. Right, so initially we were not activated because we would have expected them to come down in here, right, give us a buy, and then we take profit there and there. But for that week we were not activated, right? So they waited until they cleared this high and then reversed, right? And still, according to this, I am pretty much sure you can see how we have maintained institutional bullish order flow, where we had price trading higher, coming back to bullish order blocks, breaking market structure right there, coming back to bullish order blocks in this case. As for me, as mentioned last week, I was out of trades myself because of it being the NFP week. Right, so a quick look into how I have gone on to analyze for this coming week. I am looking at buys for me, right, stemming or coming from this point of us having to take sell side liquidity right there, break above market structure right there, come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullish order block in there. They traded into it, and then they did give a bit of a reversal. So in here we can see how we have closed this fair value gap. I anticipate that price will probably want to trade lower. If they trade lower, I'm using this candle as it is the last candle that adds at least a big body. Otherwise, if we had traded above, I'll be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's my bullish order block. So this is what to anticipate for this week on bullish pound. Get on the lower time frame to confirm your entry, and if we get any entries, we are going to target the 1.15 500 mid figure. Above that we have the 1.16 500 mid figure as well. Right, that's going to be my target on pound dollar.